Okay, so good morning, class!
Good morning!
First, welcome to the team building and outreach activity. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
But before we start, let's gather a short orientation first. So, lahat naman tayo maayos na nakaupo, right?
Yes!
Okay. As a future healthcare professionals, our responsibility goes beyond dispensing medicines. Healthcare includes health education, disease prevention, and of course, environmental protection. Meron din ditong marine pollution as what we see in our surroundings, right?
Yes!
So if we protect the ocean, we protect the lives. But before we start, lahat tayo rito hindi pa magkakilala, hindi ba?
Yes!
So we should gather first a self-introduction. So, okay, beginning to you. Okay, so yes. So can you please stand and okay, sige. So please stand and introduce yourself first.
Hi sir! Hi everyone! I am Jen from Philippines!
Wow! Jen what? Jeneline Mercado?
Genuine. Yes.
Okay, so
So good morning everyone. My name is Miguel Cortez. I'm a future health professional.
oh, so kilala mo si Sir Jonel Cortez.
Oh, yes sir.
Sige tayo.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex and Hi everyone, I'm
Okay.
Alex. And
So guys, and lahat naman na-discuss na sa university natin bago tayo magpunta rito, tama?
Yes sir!
So I have the flyers now and all you need to do is distribute it to the communities out there. So marami ring basura sa paligid and alam nyo na kung anong gagawin, tama?
Yes sir!
Okay, so I hope lahat tayo is mag-enjoy sa kani-kanilang mga activities and may the force be with you. Okay, so let's stand up and I hope you guys once again enjoy the activity. Okay.
Grabe na, bakit naman? Ang init na.
Ayoko nang init.
Madami na ba tayong nabigyan?
Ang dami na natin nabigyan.
Tara na, hindi tayo. Bukas na lang ulit. Or sa
Go.
susunod na araw na lang.
inipit niya naman ako.
Sabi, andyan yung
Ano?
Andyan siya.
Ayun, hindi ka na dyan. Nakakaya kayo.
Ala, nangihi ako, girl. Nangihi ka rin? Oo, ito
din. Di ba kayo din?
Balikan, girl. Balikan ka na ako. Balikan ka muna. Alagaan mo to, ha. Babalik kami, ha. Bye!
I'm Alex. Oh, I know. Kanina ka pa natin sa akin. By the way, I am Miguel. Nice to meet you.
Ay, sorry. By the way, kanina, sorry ha. Sa mga kaibigan ko, ganun talaga sila eh.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's not a problem at all.
I thought you're straight.
Oh, yeah, I am. But I'm not closing my doors to things like that. I'm actually into it. Bakit ka pala nandito nag-iisa?
Bakit nga ba nandito?
I saw you from there. Mag-isa ka dito. That's why I went here.
Okay.
Yeah. About nga pala sa mga friends mo kanina. Nasaan sila?
Ah, nandun sila. Oo, may mga kasama sila. Pasensya nga pala. Sorry ulit.
Alam mo, sabi ko sa'yo kanina, di ba? It's okay. Like, open din naman ako sa mga ganun eh. And it's not a problem sa akin. Bakit mo nga pala na open? Sorry ka na naman ulit. Okay na nga eh.
Actually, may aminin ako sa'yo. Kasi I like you.